Electrolysis refining copper anode products, pure copper as the cathode, crude copper as the anode, copper sulfate solution as the electrolyte. The cathode obtains more than 99.9% pure copper, and the impurity metals, such as mercury, gold, silver, etc., after the activity of copper precipitate, which is called copper mud. After so many years of industrial use and improvement, compared with other similar products, copper mud ball, pressing machine and briquette ball, pressing machine, desulfurization gypsum ball, pressing machine has similar performance, can press copper mud ball, copper mud pellets, copper mud particles, and other materials to make it formed. Because the roller of the copper mud ball press can be forcibly squeezed, the output product has three high characteristics of high density, high strength, and high hardness.